Genius Hub, smart made simple. Remove the battery tab from the back of the room sensor. Lightly tap the end of the room sensor on a hard surface to ensure that the battery is correctly seated against the contacts inside the room sensor. Fix the room sensor temporarily to the wall using the thick black sticky pad for the first 2 weeks. Once the customer is happy with the position, they can use the long thin sticky pads provided to stick it to the wall. Alternatively, the customer can use the screws provided to fix the room sensor to the wall when the final position is decided. The golden rules for positioning a room sensor are: 1. On an internal wall, to stop the room sensor from under-reading from being on a cold surface. 2. Out of direct sunlight. Consider if the sun was shining through the window, would the room sensor be in direct sunlight and therefore affecting the temperature it reports? 3. Chest height. The field of vision is 175 degrees left to right and 40 degrees up and down. Position 1.5 meters from the ground to give the best view and accurate temperature, not the ceiling temperature. 4. Facing the occupants of the room. In rooms when people are sitting, for example lounges, bedrooms and offices, make sure the sensors are facing the front of the occupants so the sensor can see any movement in the room. For more information, go to geniushub.co.uk.